Hi, this is Marianne Fesenton from AMTS, Agricultural Modeling and Training Systems. This is the final tutorial for calf managers setting up MixALot for handling daily pre-weaned calf feeding chores. It focuses on reports and linking your feeders and consultants to your MixALot.
The next, and for the most part final step of MixALot setup is to look at the reports and add instructions. Here, in the Reports page, select Group. The Reports page for the group will show, providing a space to enter notes or instructions specific to that group. It is not necessary to add feeding rate in the instructions section. That is shown in the reports under Group Information. Scrolling down the reports page, you can see how the feeding information is broken into batches and shows amount of ingredients to use in each batch. The additions are laid out by regular ingredients and hand adds. The milk nutrient outputs is shown in this section. Finally, if the recipes are set to mix by group, the cost output will show, providing information on a per calf basis. If you have specified to mix by recipe, the feeder will see what groups are being fed the same recipe and how many batches need to be mixed up. This point will play into whether, in settings, you should set up the mix batch by group or recipe. If your feeders only mix one group at a time, even when more than one group is getting fed the same mix, choose Group. If instead the feeders mix to maximize the batch container volume and feed out until more needs mixing, choose Recipe. One more point to make. This program requires an internet connection. If you live in a place where internet may be spotty, or you're not able to get a cell signal and wouldn't be able to bring this up on your phone, it's a good idea to use this button up here and print your reports. Then you have a backup for feeding in the event that internet is unavailable. It's a good thing to note this during potential storm times when you may lose connectivity. After this setup, you can manage your day-to-day calf feeding tasks from your smartphone or tablet. The calf feeder now has the ability to make the feeding-to-feeding changes typical of most farms. Let's move to the steps you need to take to add a feeder to your farm. In the Calf Manager program, click on Invite New User. Fill out the form and provide an email.
You will also choose the role the person you are inviting will perform. You and anyone you designate are administrators who can change everything in the program setup. You can add consultants that also have the ability to change input but cannot change user permissions, and consultants who can only view the information. These consultants might be calf specialists or veterinarians. If your consultant is also serving in a role on another farm that uses MixALot, you may need to contact us to set that up. The standard user designation covers your calf feeders. You can create as many of these roles and invite as many users as you have on your farm as you wish.
As a note, even though the calf feeder expects to use a program only on their phone, they need to have an email account to confirm access and log in the first time. If your calf feeders do not all have email addresses, it's easy enough to create an account. I've created several through Gmail. The calf feeder clicks on the link and is taken to a web page to activate their account. Asked to enter information that will activate their account. After password creation and clicking Activate, they will be invited to log in using the credentials they just set up. This image shows what the account looks like on a computer. Our design intent, and most likely, feeders will be using their smartphone to manage daily feeding. Technically, MixALot is a web-based program, not an app that can be downloaded from an app store. However, on smartphones, it is nice to have an icon to click. Any website can be added to your home screen of your phone. On an Android, open Chrome and navigate to amts.farm/MixALot Then tap on the three-dot icon on the top right corner. Select Add to Home Screen. On iPhones, after going to the website, tap on the Share button. In the Share menu, scroll down to the Add to Home Screen choice. Now the web page login will be easily reached on your phone. Also note the program can be viewed in other languages than English. Presently, it is translated into Italian and Spanish.
For the Calf Feeding Manager, this video completes our functionality tutorials. I have one final video that focuses on the calf feeders. My next video will show using the program on a smartphone or tablet as someone responsible for daily feedings, not setup. Thank you for watching. If you have questions or wish to learn more about MixALot and other AMTS formulation programs, please visit our website or contact us through support@agmodelsystems.com.